Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pubg mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Pubg mobile app, or just click on search. Then here add Pubg mobile app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, you search here for Pubg mobile app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.